Motorcycles power Kenya's roads. From Nairobi's traffic jams to rural trading centers, the Boda is more than transport. It's an economic lifeline. And among all models, the TVS HLX125 stands tall, tough, reliable, and affordable. But here's a crazy idea. What if you could build one yourself, from scratch? Today, we break down exactly how much it would cost to assemble your own HLX125-style motorcycle right here in Kenya. Part by part, shilling by shilling. A brand new HLX 125 will set you back between 120 to 150,000 shillings. But if you build it yourself, the total cost comes to just about 70,365 shillings. That's nearly half the price. Let's dive into the breakdown. Here's the shopping list for your DIY bike. Engine CG 125, 26,000 tires and tubes, 5,050 front shock, 4,000 rear shock, 2,000 chassis frame, 7,000 alloy rims, 9,500 seat, 3,500 mud guards, tank cap and extras, around 2,000 lights and dashboard, about 2,700 drive set, plus miscellaneous, wiring, bolts, mirrors, etc. 10,915 grand total. KSH 70,365. A dealer unit costs up to 150K. DIY, just 70K. Big savings if you're willing to get your hands dirty. At 26,000 shillings, the CG 125 engine is your biggest spend. And for good reason. It's reliable, fuel-efficient, and tough enough for Kenyan roads. Without a solid engine, your project is dead on arrival. Your tires and rims cost 14,550 total. MRF tires are known for grip and durability, while alloy rims carry heavy loads without bending. Together, they keep you safe and stable. The 7,000 shilling chassis is the skeleton of your build. Add a seat, tank cap, and mud guards, and now your pile of parts starts looking like a real bike. Front shock at 4,000, rear shock at 2,000. For Boda riders who spend up to 12 hours on the road, suspension isn't a luxury. It's survival. Headlamp, brake light, dashboard, and footrest cost just 2,700. But these small details are vital for visibility, safety, and comfort on long rides. Finally, the 915 shilling drive set plus about 10K worth of bolts, cables, and wiring. They may not look important, but without them, your bike is just a statue. So is it better to build or buy? DIY wins, save almost 50%. Choose your own parts. Learn valuable mechanic skills. Great if you run a workshop. Buying new wins. Instant ride, no work needed. Warranty included. Zero stress. If you love tinkering, DIY makes sense. But if you just want to hit the road tomorrow, buying new might be worth the extra cash. Here's the real business hack: spare parts. With over 2 million Bodas in Kenya, demand never stops. Shops stocking tires, tubes, sprockets, shocks, and oils make up to 30,000 shillings net profit monthly. So even if you don't build your own bike, selling parts is a smart move. Building your own HLX 125 in Kenya is not just possible, it's practical. For about 70,000 shillings, you get a working motorcycle at nearly half the dealer price. And beyond saving money, you gain skills, knowledge, and maybe even a business idea. So, would you build your own bike or buy new? Let us know in the comments.